So hello guys, this is DAZEDTV and I'm Edward. I'm here at Roosevelt College. You can see it there. So I'm gonna meet Peter here at the quadrangle because he's gonna teach us how to drive a manual transmission car. So see you guys later.
My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. My life be like, ooh, yeah, ooh. Yeah, ooh. My life be like, yeah, ooh. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah, Lord, if you see me, please come my way. Like leaving breadcrumbs all when I stray. Yeah, I'm sacrificing the price. My life.
Hi friends, this is my first vlog. This is our channel, DAZEDTV. I'm Peter Mendoza and I will show you how to drive this car. This is a Toyota small body equipped with a 1.8 engine. And I will show you how to drive this manual car. First step you need to do is to buckle your seatbelt for your own safety purposes. Second, start the engine. Third, turn on the aircon so you won't be hot. So, I will show you how to drive this car manual. This is manual. This is the proper use of gearing of a manual transmission. First, you need to put it on the first gear so it will move in a fast acceleration. Gently release the clutch as you step on the gas. Put it in neutral when you're turning on the sharp point, and then put it on the first gear again. So once you feel that the car is moving, you can also shift it on the second gear, like that. And as long as it takes a good acceleration, once again I will put it on the first gear of Primera. Second gear, neutral. Second gear again. The area is too small so I can force my car to put in a quinta. I will show you how this car stops. While you're in the first gear, gently press the clutch and put it in a neutral. So once it is neutral, it can move frontward and backward because it doesn't have the handbrake. So once you pull up the handbrake, it won't move anymore. But once you pull up the handbrake, it can move anywhere because it's neutral. First, step on the clutch, look at your handbrake, put it on the first gear for a fast acceleration, and reverse so it will reverse. Gently press the gas and remove the clutch. Balance it.
Peter for teaching us how to drive manual transmission.
You're welcome, Sir Edward Rivera. This coming weekend, we have a new drills for my new driving technique, so you can use it in autocross, this coming October since you can come in before.
This is DAZEDTV. This is Peter.
You know what's what, bro?
And I'm Edward.
Baby, don't stop now. There you go, baby, don't stop now.